truth, crown the lies. That's how kingdoms bleed and die. I won't kneel to the fear of men, won't trade truth just to fit in. They wrap deception in holy disguise. Call it unity while the righteous die. Yahusha's word stands unbroken, unchained, a living blade, a hammer of flame. Yahusha stood where cowards fled. He spoke obedience, life or death. I won't water down what he engraved, won't bend for the applause of the grave. If it offends, it was meant to shake and awake. Not every shaking is a mistake. I will not be silent, the blade is unsheathed. Fire in my soul, no retreat. I fear only Call me a rebel, call me extreme. I count heaven's war over earthly dreams. Let the enemies rage, let them draw near. Yahusha's watching, I have no fear. Arise, awake, the watchmen call. Speak the truth, watch empires fall. No fear, no change. Sound the shofar and proclaim. Not left where the Savior's erased. Not right where the Torah's defaced. I stand on the ancient blood-sealed ground, where covenant roars and mercy and grace are found. I will not be silent, the blade is unsheathed. Fire in my soul, no retreat. I fear only my mouth is dust, his breath is flame. I speak Yahusha. Forget my I will not be silent. The blade is unsheathed. Fire in my soul, no retreat. I fear only my mouth is dust, his breath is flame. I speak Yahusha. Forget my name.